Make a great choice today with the 2022 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, trip computer, bucket seats, daytime running lights, rear air, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors, pass-through rear seat. Come take a test drive today.